Yo! Was gut? Good morning, good morning. Today will be a day. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh. Let's go. Good morning, you fixed flickering? Oh yeah! We did. We did. I didn't fix it. For those of you who want to know what fixed the flickering on AMD, I use what I call storage buffers to supply data to the GPU. And these transform storage buffers is what I call them for basically quads, sending quads to the screen, to the GPU. These transforms needed a memory barrier before I would draw call them, because the memory hadn't arrived yet. And then sometimes I would overwrite the data. That's what happened. Looks like I'm in on time here, ain't late. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's your health today? Better? I would say 95%. So there's only 5% missing, which is my voice. Little bit of coughing left, but otherwise I'm good. Good. Thanks for asking, man. Yes, and I have on off stream I have done a little bit of other stuff. I've added a stack trace logging method to the game, which looks something like this. I have never seen this before and used this before. How did you come up with the memory barrier though? Someone in chat suggested it. You could just try, because we weren't getting any errors. You could just try to put a memory barrier, because the buffer sub data was called on the same buffer multiple times. So we have the transform SBO here, then we have the transform SBO here again. I think the way to improve this is to just call this once. Then we don't need a memory barrier. And whenever we draw using the buffer, we use an offset into the buffer. Is your notification on Discord not working? It should. Maybe it's a bit delayed, but it should actually. Let me see. Yeah, it did. Just did. You see that? Let's see here. The flickering is also gone. Okay, so I didn't know how to describe it. So basically, the game just randomly closing on AMD GPUs, and flickering is now completely fixed, which is close post. However, excuse me, we still have crash but no errors. Not for Azenris. Did he say? See, like I pinged Azenris at Azenris, right? I know he's online. Well, maybe he comes online, but he should be online today. Right now, he should be saying, yeah, it's fixed or not. Anyways, so here we'll do tomorrow. Can you still do you still have the issue? Here's another person that crashes. Wait a minute. That's a different. Actually, sorry. That's actually a different crash. Sorry about that. No, I fixed that, I think. Let me see here. Sounds, no, that should be fixed. That should be fixed. There's another person that crashes. Game doesn't start. Yeah, this guy right here, Bruce. Restarting the PC fixed it. Wait, so it's fixed for him? Wait. So I don't have anyone crashing on my game anymore? That one's fixed. I did that yesterday. So I can close this. Damn, that's crazy. Yay, no crash. Yeah, I think we don't have any crashes anymore. That's awesome. Here, I made a clip and you can pin it for people that's gonna ask today. Actually... Do I still have my message from yesterday? No. I want to look at my stream from yesterday. Give me a sec. Create a dashboard. I want to pin the same message that I did yesterday. Yesterday's recording. Oh wow, I got disconnected two times. Crazy. Yeah, go to board page. Because I did post the link.
It doesn't exist like that.
Why don't you... When did I pin the message? I had a really cool message. God damn it. Did I pin? Oh no. Pinned message don't appear, right? I wish I could see. Maybe someone that's smart with Twitch is gonna come online in a second and can tell me what I can do. Typical bro science, turning it on and off again, fix the issue. Well, apparently it's fixed. However, oops. Whatever that's called. I added the stack trace ability. No Mac support. Bro, I don't have a Mac. I don't even have a Linux. And I barely could get the game working on Windows. You think I can support Mac right now? Like, was this memory barrier mentioned in any OpenGL documentation? I don't know if it did. I don't know. Wait, I launched the game on Steam Deck while driving and it crashed, and I crashed into a tree. So I guess there are some people who are still crashing Cakes. In GTA, of course. Mr. Twitch administration. Hello, by the way. Holy. Hello, collector of stuff. Hello, inmain return 0. Good morning, you guys. Some other programs occupy all the GPU resources and now the game no work. And reboot and it works. Wait, so if some other programs take all of the GPU resources away, the game won't run? Hildon? Well, I don't think I can do anything about that, can I? Yeah, maybe you can try Proton on Mac, bro. Does that... Maybe that would work for you, bro. Oh, shit. Give me a sec. Oh, no, I shouldn't have done that. I'm stupid. I'm dumb. Give me a sec. Sorry about that. Sorry. Ah, shit. Wait. Good. There you go. There you go. Uh-huh. Is it Gothic Remake Day 1? No, obviously not. What do you think, man? Like, how can you say that? So, let's see. I don't remember what I posted yesterday. But I guess it's demo out. Play here. And then the link from shorten link. Yeah, let's get the Steam link to this. Where's the Steam link from Tangy TD? I guess we can take that link. Kinda addicted to looking at how many players are playing, especially when I'm offline. Control T and then shorten link. Oh my god! There you go. And then we pin that message. Oops. I just love that, bro. I just love that. Pin.
Hello.
Pinned, of course. It's /pin, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. There you go, very nice. Mirror Rage. And Anyways, so I'm very happy about you guys still playing the game. I wonder how long this will last. I'm pretty sure that at some point this curve is gonna flatten out. I'm still happy that, yeah, that there are still quite a few people that are playing the game. When will be more maps? So I actually have an idea for another map. I'm not gonna do that today. We need to first do this push here. I did this off stream, but I didn't push it yet. Because if anything goes sideways, we now have the time to fix it. So I would ask you guys, after this patch has been done, please test if the game still works on your end. Would be cool if you could just check a second, you know, click a little bit out in the game, left and right. Tell me if the game still works, especially because I added this new stack trace logging. Now, to go back to that, what I'm doing in C++, and I've never done this before. I suppose this is the way you do it. You do an __ try block in C++, and then everything in this scope is in the try catch, and then you can do an __ exception, whatever that is. That's not how you do it properly. Well, that's what I saw online. And then in that exception, this requires you to have an int. So you can call a function here that returns an int value. And this is a Windows implementation, which at the end returns the exception execute handler, which I guess is just 1. Which means, I would assume, since this is 1, it's like, okay, we are done. You are done, the exception has been handled. Now you can call this code. That's what I feel like this does. This exception takes in. And in this function, I am going through the stack trace. I didn't write the code myself. I just got it from the internet and it works very well. I did have to do a couple of changes, but for the most part, it works. And when I get an exception from now on, it will trace into the log what happened. So for example, I made a test exception, which is just the reason why my game crashes a lot on your system, guys, is because I am currently letting any assertion. No, not A, bro, not A. SM assert. Any assertion here hard crashes the game. So that whenever you guys have an issue, it is notifying me immediately, because you guys will, or most of you guys will write me a ticket on Discord saying, oh, Cakez, the game crashed. And then I can treat these as #1 priority bugs. Which is definitely not the best thing, but I think it's been working very well, because I've got a lot of reports of game crashes that have been related to gameplay bugs that I have fixed because of this. And usually you want to handle assertions differently. You do not want to crash on the user's system. We'll figure out a better way in the future for that. But I think that's been working very well. And now that I have this, whatever that's called, try and catch block here in the game, whenever the game actually has one of these exceptions, we are also printing out the stack trace. So for example, in this case, in update game line 24,903, this is where that happened, the test exception, and where it got called from main, which is really cool. This is not a stack trace, this is a stack trace. This is where it happens. So everything is called from main. Yeah, that's true. But still, that's awesome. And yeah, I hope to see this in action to see if it works. Guys, it is literally just, okay, so then it's not a stack trace. Actually, it is whatever that's it. it's good enough for me because it tells me where in the code it happened and if an exception happens, which is good enough for me. I need the lines of code and I need the functions that got called. Yeah, then tell me what it is, Mr. Also, like, we don't have time to get into arguments about this stuff. I'm happy that I did this, and we're gonna now push this up into the cloud. Let's see here. I think here. Stack these. True, mister. Nahan codes. Hello, Azenris. Good morning. You can't beat the boss. Still coughing? Yeah, I'm still coughing. I was super sick. You think I'm gonna be done in like one day? It's gonna take some time. Of course not. Have you tried running on Mac though? I have no idea how cross-platform things work, but shouldn't it just work if you used OpenGL or Vulkan? Maybe. I don't know how far the Mac support is in terms of OpenGL versions, because at some point the OpenGL versions got discontinued on Mac. So you have a maximum version that could run on Mac, which I don't know. I know that 3.3 is supported on Mac, but I don't know if 4.3 is supported on Mac. You know, look. Mac, no, not Control G. Yeah, Control G. Mac, OpenGL support. Developing using OpenGL. Yeah, see, like, this is something that sucks. Where was it? 4.1. I saw that here. Apple implementation over Metal. Unfortunately, it has stuck on OpenGL 4.1. So I can't play my game on Mac because they decided to not support OpenGL 4.3, which is what I need. Rewrite in Metal? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. There's no way. No, so yeah, anyways, let's upload the game first and then get stuff done here. I totally forgot how to go there again. How do I go there again? Packages, maybe?
Hello, Cakez.
This is such difficult. Deactivate demo? Okay, bro. Maybe the associated packages. And then Tangy TD demo, maybe? Excuse me. Just use 4.1. I cannot use 4.1, bro. I don't know, guys. Maybe I have to wait till Superku gets here, because getting stuff seen on Steam is so difficult, man. View packages, maybe? Bundles. No, it's not bundles. There's no way. No, packages. Maybe tools. No. So, bruh. This Steam API bullshit, man, is really annoying. And they could have... How could they have made this any more obscure to upload your data to Steam, man? Holy. How do I get my stuff to Steam, man? I just don't understand, man. Tangy TD demo. Depot. It's gotta be the depot, yeah. So, but now we are in the depot showing what it's currently in there. Default build. Aha. Builds. That's, oh my god. Okay, now well, we found it. Builds. There we go. What does he need? Was AFK. A good Steam AP, a good Steam interface. That's, oof. That tastes like shit. Oof. Wasp Cakes, hello there, Lico on YouTube. Man, the game is not even opening. Please solve it. I want to play the game. I can't. I want that wallpaper. Clips. If the game is not opening for you, please wait until I do an update, and then please bring me the game.log file to Discord, so that I can test the game there. Okay. Then I can see the errors that you get on your system if it's not opening for you. Okay? You heard that? Clips on YouTube? Give me a second to upload the new version to Steam. Do the update for the game. And then please report back to me if it works for you or not. And if it's not working for you, then please send me the game.log file. Okay? Game.log. Give me a second. Need to do an update. So we have that here, the game DLL. And did the shaders change? I don't think they did. So only those two. Delete those. Let's see if this works. Indeed it does. Good. Very nice. There you go. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Config ini and this too. Package this up. There you go. Cakez, what is up? Hello Cakez and everyone. Good morning, Mr. What's up? Hope you're doing good, man. Use the SDK to upload. It's much better, Cakez. We are going to probably do this today, unless there is a breaking bug that won't let people start or play the game. Yes. I'm gonna go over everything, and first and foremost though, for those people that are here right now, and then maybe those people who are watching it on YouTube later, in the VOD, whatever, I want to thank you all for participating in the demo and giving me feedback, playing the game, and even making videos of you playing the game so that I can inspect those videos. I sadly did not have the time yet to inspect those videos, because I was running either on, what is it called? I was sick, or I had to fix the game-breaking bugs, which is crashes, of course. Those had to be top priority, and I couldn't spend time watching videos then. But as it's getting better, with my health and with the crashes, and more people can enjoy the game without crashing, I will start investing more and more time into looking at you guys' feedback, and then reacting to the feedback, of course. Because you guys have some valuable feedback. There is some valuable information in there from you guys. And that's the reason why I didn't take most of your feedback before, because now that you played the game, we are all on the same page. Mostly. Now you guys know what the game is about, how it feels, and you can give me proper feedback and explain your reasoning behind your feedback, rather than just looking at a screen when I develop the game and saying, oh, this looks bad, this looks like ass, because that's usually not important. Okay, so that is a Tangy TD demo version 5.6, 0.56. That's what it is. God damn it, I would have loved to do something first. Did you fix the flickering issue, Cakez? I did, yes. Thanks for asking, Neon Codes. We did it yesterday. Morning, gamedev man. Good morning, Toasty Stump. Hope you're doing good, man. So this is super cool from yesterday. This is a Steam community announcement linked to the build. I'll go there from the admin dashboard. So, linking something to the build. What I want to do whenever I push an update to my game, I want to do something like this. Like Thronefall. Hotfix. Version 1 now available. Hotfix. Update. I want to do these things. I need this. I need to know how this is. I look more professional if I do this, and don't tell me what to do. I want to do this, okay? So I would assume that these are community posts, correct? Yes. So basically, I have to type in what the update does. Okay. I'm not gonna do the craziest things, but hopefully I wanna see how this works, man. How do you do this? You attach them after you upload the build. Okay. So first and foremost, how do I do one? I've never done one. Where's this even? Let's put this together. To the left here. So I have the build here. I need to commit the build first. That's ChanGTD version 5.0.56. Don't set the build, or at least not on default. Yeah, okay, so I committed it. Which I guess is it already did. Can tell. Okay, let's open this up again, right? Application. How do I go there? Super cool said. I go there from the admin dashboard. Community announcement. I don't know how to do that. Do you know how to do this? Steam community point, redeem, release, support. Active. Oh, great. Well, yeah. Just leaked it. Whatever. Releases, events, dismissed. Do you want to do a small patch note of more detailed stuff? I want to do a small patch note for the first time to test how that works. I just want to write this in the patch notes. Where is this? No. No. Wait a minute. I just want to write this in the patch notes. Always go on the game you need through the search. It's better on Discord. It will be on both, man. It doesn't matter. I just want to learn how to do it, man. If other game developers do it, then I need to do it too. I've literally seen Asmongold and other streamers go to the patches section of SteamDB sometimes and look at what's happening there, man. They know how to get there. I want to look professional, okay? It's important to me. Now, can I please just do this? Can we focus our efforts on how to do it and not if I should do it? Because then we get to the result faster. Steam pipe builds. After setting the build live there, it will open the dialog box on the top of the page, which allows you to write patch notes to be attached to the build. I can't. I always get a sorry, this doesn't exist. You have to prioritize the reported bugs and fix the game-breaking crashes. So, well, guess what I did off stream, bro? Can we focus on what I'm doing right now? Thank you. It's literally copy-paste, guys. I just want to see how to do it. How do I do it? I have my patch live here on depots and on builds, right? Mr. Toasty Stump. If I set this as default, so it didn't upload. Bro. 8:30:26? Bro, it did not upload. Maybe it was too slow? What? Vikel, thank you very much for following. And Squashed Cat, thank you very much for following too. Anyways, so apparently I was too slow. I'm just gonna do it again. I'm gonna ban Mr. Collector of stuff for an hour. Don't give a shit. Stop complaining. Deny that message. Deny that message. There's another one. Delete. My god, can I speak today without having to cough 10 seconds? I just speak. God, man. Stop. All right. Tangy TD 5.6. Commit. After it uploads, you have to press the green button to confirm upload, otherwise it discards the build. A build commit successful. Yeah, you have to be fast. It seems like builds. Now that we have it, right? Excuse me. Now, I want to associate a post with this. How do I do this? If I set this to default now, anything that comes afterwards, never shows up here. I've tried multiple things. It always says no patch title. Always. So I cannot continue here because I've done this multiple times. You mean for markers? No, I want this. I want this, man. And then you can click on this. And that brings me to this. So how do I do this? I'm gonna view the documentation if I have to, but I thought this would be easier on stream because I'm pretty sure some of you guys have done this already. I told you yesterday. Yes, thank you. I know that you did, and I actually have this here open, but I just didn't know how to get there. You know, I'm already here, so I just don't know how to get there, man. Great. There's another error here. So, yeah. I am on my dashboard. Admin dashboard. I'm here. And I don't know where to click. Release options? Where do I click here? Here you should be just on the page you're on after seeing that live to build on top the page that asks you for patch description. Please don't tell me I'm gonna waste my... I don't want to waste it now, man. Because that's not what's gonna happen, man. If I do this and then preview change, all it does is... I have an authenticator registered to my account. Stop saying that. So I can put a comment here, but I can't put a title. On the app for which you want to post an announcement. Anyways, so it's not here. And now you press the blue button, it asks you to make an announcement. Guys, if I press the blue button right now, and then I click on an announcement, it gives me an error page. This error page. Announcements hidden. I can't do it. I tried it multiple times. In green. It doesn't let me do it. I've gotten this multiple times. Maybe the demo page does not allow it? Maybe because it's a demo? Okay, wait. Maybe I've been fooled. Let's see. Backpack Battle Steam demo. Bro, there's no way. Was there a demo from for Thronefall? Thronefall demo? These. Why can you not do that for demos, man? You look more professional if you do. I want to see the demo, guys. Let's take a... Oh my god, they had 800 players on that demo. Man, these guys are... Holy... These guys are crazy, man. You know, we need to make a game like Thronefall. You know which game is like Thronefall, guys? That we played recently? New game today? Pork Champ? This game right here. Mikulon. We played this. I had a lot of fun playing this game. We need to make a game like this, guys. Yep. Definitely. Because this guy earned a lot of money too. It's not fully different, bro. Stop saying that. If you never played Thronefall, man. And Mikulon together. He was already very popular before releasing the demo. That's true. True. That's why my data also looks kind of crazy for like some random ass demo version. Having over 24 players, or having 24 players peak. I think that's crazy. Okay, never mind then. So we cannot set a post. Then I guess we'll just do version 5.6. Set it live now, yeah. Send that to me. Yeah. I'm not gonna do this on stream. Obviously not. Here you go. I wonder what happens if I leak this on stream, this code. Maybe someone could find my authenticator because of this? That would be crazy. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for helping. Unfortunately, you can't do this for demo versions. Whatever. It is how it is. Okay, 5.0.56 is active now. It contains a... Well, I call it stack trace. Don't know what you call this. Basically, a backtrace on where the call happened. And with that, it is now easier for me to debug errors and clips on YouTube. Could you go now to Steam, see if there's an update available for the game? Download that update, start the game. If it doesn't start, please send me the game.log file. It should now contain a stack trace of the error, hopefully. So the flickering is happening again? No? It shouldn't. It shouldn't. The flickering should be gone. That's gone. Anyways, let me unpause notifications.
Milady Cakez. Pepe Neil homies. Demo
Yo,
out.
good morning.
Check.
X flickers fixed. Wow.
Check.
Yeah, thank you.
Doesn't work on AMD. Check. Unbalanced game. Check.
Okay.
UI bugs. Check. Yapping all day. Check.
Okay, you guys find something new to complain every day, bro. Thank you, Super Cool, for helping. Looks like we can't
Make
do
a
this
good
for
game
demos.
and don't
Thanks, bro.
market it. The money will come to you.
How many wishlists have you got the past weekend, Cakes? I have gotten 80... in the past
Great
2
to be
weeks,
back
I've
to
gotten
my
100
favorite
wishlists.
Vulkan stream. Please keep
But
your
I don't know
functions shorter than
how
5
organic
lines.
that is,
Big
bro.
retard, don't help.
Check? I guess I can. It's here. Current wish lists. I checked that, I think, this morning. 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks. It's 100. I don't know when this updates. I guess it is till yesterday? Most people from stream probably already wishlisted though. Yeah, I could see that, but we'll have to see for more organic traction over 1 to 2 months. I'm expecting this to be higher in the first couple of days and then dribble down, just like the player numbers, guys. I'm expecting it to be around here. Again, if I can get to about 1 to 5 players a day, consistently, then I'm happy. If we get that consistently, that would be awesome. And I'm not trying to optimize the wishlists. I have an idea on how to push the wishlists even further beyond, you know, by adding a demo page in between early access release and the demo version that we have right now, like basically gaming the system of Steam, where I notify all of the wish lists when I put out a demo version as a real page on Steam, which brings in all the players again. They test the game again, and then a couple of weeks later, we're gonna send out, you know, when I make meaningful changes. Of course, we need to always make meaningful changes. We go into early access, 20% down. It's gonna send out another wave of wish lists. That's what I want to do. Okay, it's already planned, you know? It's already planned. Maximizing the wish lists, emails, stuff like that. You said you already used that, Cakez. You can only do that when you release a demo, which you already did. No, I think I can turn this into a demo page. It's not a real demo page. It is a demo, but not a demo page. That would suck, to be honest, if that's not possible, because the people that already had out a demo until that demo feature unrolled, that would be unfair. That works for a demo release even without the page? Yeah, but it's unfair. Well, we'll have to see. If I can't do this, then that sucks, of course. I thought you could do a private demo and then a public demo page. Cakez, it updates every 24 hours. For me, it updates 11 at night, Australia time. I see. Cakez, can you see if the events are available to you on the community hub? I'll test. Post an event announcement. I mean, that's for Tangy TD though. I don't think I can do that for this, right? No, that doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. That's why we said we'll just buy a new game entry. It's only $100. Yeah, but even then, let's say I make a new game entry and I want to bring out a demo version. That will be a demo version to 0 wish lists. That makes no sense. So I would have to farm wish lists on that page without the demo being out for, let's say, a year. So I get, let's say, 1,000 wish lists. And then after that year, when the demo comes out, then I can send the wish lists. Will you make a Steam page, dev page? I will have to see. First, the game is more important than a dev page. Demo boost isn't that amazing anyways. Only a few games explode from it. It's fine. Code Red Games game did. Let's see here. What was it? Rogue? Blight demo SteamDB. It's still there. Here. So for him, he had a really good demo. He had about 66 players, and he wrote me on Discord. Let me see. I don't want to leak stuff from him, of course. Let's see here. There he is. Here are some of his stats. Daily wishlist additions. Wait, daily wishlist actions. That's crazy, man. I don't get this many wishlists, by the way. Like 200? 300? It's crazy. Medium template, 36 minutes, that's good. Yeah, see that, guys? Right now, for me, this second bar is sitting at 70 something. And the first bar is sitting at 290. But that includes my first demo that I put out 2 years ago. And that demo wasn't that great. But still. And then there are 200 plus. Look how many. Over 100. But there's also a lot more lifetime users. We can take a look at this here. That's what it looks like right now for me. 660. And about, I don't know how many, about 500 of those users over 2 years is for the old demo version, which was worse than this. And this one has been steadily climbing, while this one has been staying consistent. So there's barely anyone that quits at 1 to 10 minutes anymore. Mostly everyone quits here or here, in those two. And then there's quite a few people that play for 200 plus, of course. These are the sweats. These are most of you guys that play for a long time, try to kill the boss. That's basically how you do larger update announcements. You create the event, aka attach it to the build ID, then the build goes live. It auto puts the event live. I see. When will the game be released? When I have put everything into the game that I want to, and when I have listened to your feedback to make the game as fun as possible as well. So that's currently not... we are currently not yet there, but... So yeah, he's gotten... let me see, he's gotten, I think, to over 8,000 wish lists. He had about, yeah, there it is. He had about 4,800 wish lists before the release of the demo, and he's currently at probably 8,000, something like this. I think. I could be wrong though, but I would assume it's somewhere between 7,000 and 8,000, which is crazy. So yeah, we haven't even hit 1,000 yet, by the way, guys. Just want to let you know, we are not even at 1,000 wish lists on the Tangy TD demo. Hovering a 5 out of 5 skilled crashes the game. This should be fixed, guys. If it comes up again, let me know, but it should be closed. Wait, it is closed. Why does it show me the closed posts here? Ah, it shouldn't. Input no longer works after alt-tabbing. Okay. Flickering white glow when I open it, when the skill tree is open. Oh no, not another flickering thing. Huh? What the hell? Hi Cakez, I was playing the demo yesterday and it is cool. The only one issue for me is when you learn a new spell or you get new equipment from a chest, you have a little lag. Maybe it should be like that, I don't really know. Lag? There shouldn't be any lag. Really? Can you make a video of that? There shouldn't be any lag, bro. What? I like the old demo more. Yeah, you may be right for yourself, but 99% of people did not like the demo. Which is why it only had 6 minutes of playtime, bro. And if I want to sell a successful game, then I can't make a game for one person, can I? The game is so fun, to be honest, not paid ads. Yeah, that's awesome. It's a good game. It gets a lot harder from level 26. Maybe I'm missing a trick. It is a little too hard on that part, yeah, I know. How can I undo my tree, bro? Yeah, we're gonna work on that too. Crashes but no errors. 27 minutes ago. Indeed. It's fixed. Okay. So, Asenris bug is fixed. Close post. Thank you. Yeah, you lose coins. Pretty annoying. Yeah, yeah. Demo crash. I launched the game. We'll do tomorrow. Okay. So this guy crashes when he starts the game. Crash array full. That should be done. This guy didn't answer, but it should be fixed. This hopefully is also fixed. This guy needs to answer too. Skill tree crash. This should be fixed too. So I'm currently basically just waiting for the guy on YouTube to tell me if it still crashes or not. But he's not answering, so we might just have to move on and do something else. Because as far as I know, I have fixed all the crashes now, and we could start working on more of the gameplay aspect of the game. Yeah, we could start working on gameplay. Let me put this on here though. Copy this. Into, where's that? Actually, let's keep. Just copy that. Then we can put it into changelog. Put it here. There you go. Another post. Cool. Which means we might actually be able to... It's fixed. Okay, thank you, bro. Awesome! Close. Another post closed. Awesome. I love when the posts get smaller. This is such a good idea, man. Now, we got this idea from looking at Randy's Discord, where people have put posts about the game there. And I have to say, it works very well. It's like a little bit of a Kanban board on Discord that is active at all times, that everyone can see. Another GTX card. Wait, GTX? This is the log. Input no longer works after alt-tabbing. Really? This doesn't look any bad at all. This is the log. Launching the game. Looks good too. Buffer detailed info object bound. Okay, what does it say? Holy moly. Usage hint was will use video memory as the source for the buffer operations. Okay. I guess. Did the player tab back in? It looks like it has something to do with the Alt tab key combination, as playing in window mode is clicking under the windows won't break it. But I don't have this issue at all. How can you get such an issue on AMD? No, it's not even AMD. I alt tab all the time. How's that possible? It just works. Huh? He said window mode. No, he said window mode so doesn't break it. It looks like it has something to do with the Alt-Tab key combination as playing in window mode. And clicking on other windows won't break it. You guys can't see it, of course, because it's to the left. I don't know how to make it. I don't know how to show. But I'm sorry. Yeah, you guys can read it, but now you can. See this here? I don't. What breaks? Like nothing works anymore, or what happens? He's typing. Doesn't mean that he has in window mode. It shouldn't make any difference though. Pause aside, yeah. Doesn't that mean he is in window mode? Yeah. Wind blows problem. It's a good game. It gets a lot harder from level 20. Actually, I read that on YouTube already. What I find crazy is... Let me test something, guys. Okay. want to test something. If that does something, then that would be crazy. There you go. Let's see. Type faster, chatter. I'm watching a stream right now. After alt-tabbing, when I click on anything, the input isn't being taken. Except escape won't work either. I tried window mode to see if switching the active window would break it, but it doesn't. Even when window mode alt-tabbing breaks it. Just like in Borderless. Hey? How? And you are on a Ryzen and GTX. How? Because I alt-tab all the time when I make my game. Like, it's basically a constant alt-tabbing. Oh yeah, by the way, this is black, guys. Because it's moving these. Is it this one here? Attack range, no. Excuse me. Render circle, noise overlay, linear flicker. Oh god. Okay, shader header. What was the option? Wind. I saw it. Wind. Sorry. I hate when I mispress. When I find something fast. Wind. We need to discard pixels. Where's the discard for non? Ah, there we go. Texture color alpha. Hey? What the hell? It's not hot reloading the shader. That's why. The reason why it's not hot reloading the shader is because I'm not building the game for myself, but for you guys. Of course. Which you can submit here. Feedback. Oh, so you don't wanna... so you really do not want to join Discord, Rupsam? Or what? I think Discord... So like, if it gets out of place or out of hand in too many different places... It is music? Is it music, this music feedback? You can do any feedback, that's fine. Thank you very much for following, Rupsam, and... oh, Squash Cat already said. Is the crash issue resolved?
Bro, Clips, I asked you to test if you can play the game after the update. The update is out right now. If you could test if the game crashes on your system, and if it doesn't crash on your system, Clips on YouTube, then please, Mr. Clips on YouTube, if the game does crash on your system indeed, then please go to the folder where the game is in and please give me the game.log file, okay? Mr. Clips on YouTube.
AMD crashing again? AMD shouldn't crash, no. My demo is crashing because I can't beat the boss. That's probably you closing the game. Sure, man, chill. That's fine. Okay. Wrong resolution window scaling. Yeah. We need to do that, yeah. Should we do this now? I think, but I shouldn't do this on stream. I know, Capuche Man, but I don't think I can do this on stream. Set process DPI aware at the beginning of the app, but it's not recommended fix. See here. Just randomly edit a music link? I hate the boss, yeah. Flickering glow. I wonder what this is, man. Guys. All right. So let's see if that helps. This guy has some weird flickering glow. Which to me... I wish I could see the game. Can you... I need an entire screenshot because I'm assuming this is related to the game and maybe just out of place. And that might be because I'm not clearing a buffer or something. In feedback, by the way. You did a new post? Excuse me. Feedback, not game feedback. I see. Okay. Did he make... Ah, man, I guess I'll just have to. I'm just gonna have to do it myself. I don't know, people might not be able to understand that too much, but... Go here, make a new post. Feedback for the game. And we put this message here. Oh, a tag is required. And then the message is too long. Okay. Thanks for the demo. Thank you, bro. There's images. Wait, what if I can just make a new post? Guys, for the future, please make posts in game feedback. Maybe it's just too confusing. We're gonna do it like this. Then people don't see feedback. They might see feedback first and they're like, okay, I'm gonna put it here. And then they don't see. Love at the first sight by Rub Underneath. Date Chicken Man. Is that what you posted just now? Huh? Band Lab? Bruh. Excuse me. What is this? I'm in the middle of the thing as well. There you go. Music? Music what? For my game? First date with a female alien and male alien squashed into a cash cabin beat. What does that have to do with my game, bro? Are you just advertising your music without telling me that you're advertising your music? So I listen to your music? Why can't you just be straight out about it and tell me, hey, can you please listen to my song? No, guys, it's about the way he's doing it. I don't have issues playing games, playing songs, playing videos. But if... I just don't understand. Play the goddamn song? You can't tell me what to do. No. But you have issues greeting me? Hello, Firefly. Firefly, sorry. You have issues greeting me. Hello, Mr. Cakez. I can't stop, but I wanted to congratulate on the demo release. Thank you, Fluffy Unicorn Man. Earlier. I really appreciate that, bro. Maybe there's a hidden message, Cakez. What if Tangerines get stunned by the boss for a few seconds instead of flying around the map? I was thinking about that. Okay, next time, just be straight up about it. Ask me to listen to your song instead of telling me that this is game feedback. I'm gonna ban you from the Discord for this. You can rejoin. But don't do that. No, man. He lied to me. He said he had feedback for the game, made me listen to a song. Then chat was like, okay, listen to the song. Fine, I listened to the song. But it's still unjust. Not unjust. It's still unhonest. You just be honest here, bro. You don't need to be... I'll know next time. Yeah, no, you know next time. Exactly. That's fine. I don't mind. You didn't listen to the lyrics? Bro, it was really hard to listen to the lyrics, okay? But you also lie a lot? I don't never lie. I never lie. I'm always honest. I do not lie. You're wrong. We need to make a new post. Feedback by Viv Games. We need to organize that. New post. Oh, whoops. First message. Game general feedback, and then we can go here. And we can forward these message. Oh god. Yeah, so how can we find that? That's a game-feedback. Hashtag game dash. Guys, is Discord just a trash application? How can I find that? Game dash. Okay, I cannot forward this because it's not used often enough. Can you? Are you kidding me? Wait, maybe we can click on this. Oh, that's so bad. Just feedback. Ah, thank you. Good stuff, brother. Send. There you go. That's the first. Now, can we do multiple selections? There's no way to do that. Okay, fine. Great. Can I not select multiple? No? That would be too easy, right? Well, at least the thing works here. So we can do that. It's kinda annoying, but okay. He didn't know that he should post in the game feedback, so that's fine. How to read the whole thing in yeah, whatever. Okay, good. I think that was it. Thank you very much for the feedback, bro. Game feedback. Window mode letterbox borders are not cleared correctly after window size changes. Yes. We can fix this really quickly if you guys want to. The letterboxes are not cleared. That's true. All we need to do for that is to go into the GL renderer and clear the screen, which we didn't do yesterday. We did, but we stopped doing it. I'm no longer blitzing the frame buffer? Wait. How does my game work, guys? If I'm not blitzing... Oh, I see. The thing doesn't... Okay. Maybe blitz works now, though. Let's introduce blitz again. And then... we clear the color. Good question, yeah. I thought you would know. Yeah, that's true. Render the game. There we go. Let's clear color. But not depth. Ah, of course. So after we have done the blit, set the viewport, we can clear color. That should fix it. That is not the first report that I've gotten because of this. Why keep commented code? It should make that unnecessary. Also, commented code can become uncompatible even. The reason why I keep some commented code is just so it's easier for me to get it back faster in the future, because I do too many commits or I do barely any commits. It's a terrible coding habit of mine, but it makes it easier for me. Let's make window mode happen, see if this changes. Thanks. Man, it's so frustrating that I keep having this. I need water, I'm sorry.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Prodigat just subscribed. Congrats on the demo. Smile.
Ooh, my man! Prodigy Art, long time no see, bro. Thank you so much for subscribing. What a giga, welcome back, bro. Your Mac build might actually become relevant soon, TM. Might actually become relevant. I just got water from... I got water from the tab thing. Let's do windowed. Okay, you guys are saying that it no longer clears, which we would have to test, I guess. It should be fixed now. I think it's fixed. Okay, so let's say that's fixed, right? Then we do 7. I wonder, sure man chill, on YouTube, Mr. Clips, is the game running for you? Is the flickering issue fixed? If so, what was the problem on YouTube, you ask? The reason the flickering issue is fixed, and the problem was we needed memory barriers because I was accessing the same buffer and uploading data to it multiple times a frame, which corrupted the data long before the GPU could execute the commands. So what did we just do, guys? Removed the when in window mode, the screen should no longer have artifacts or something. Whatever that's called. Let's call it rendering artifacts. There we go. Okay, first thing down. Let's do something interesting though. Ooh, my man, Octane on YouTube. Thank you very much for whatever that currency is, you guys can see it. Whatever that currency is. Dollars? $7.99? Hey mate, thanks for all the positivity. I'm currently going through a rough time with my mother-in-law about to, oh god, my man. I hope you can get over it, bro. Looking forward to your streams, man. I wish you the best, bro. Thank you so much. Yeah, I wish you all the best. That's Australian dollars, I see. And thanks for the positive message nonetheless, man. You can get through it, bro. Oh, man. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, it's gonna be a difficult time, 100%. You could do it, bro. Alright, my brothers. What do we do next? We have now this... I think it would be interesting so that you guys can see that the game changes accordingly, to go over some of your feedback. And then start to work on the gameplay so that you guys have a much more fun time in the game. So what about if we focus on something that makes the game a little bit more replayable without introducing too many things that are new? Letting you re-roll the skill tree. Unspecking out of everything in the skill tree and reassigning skill points. But only in town. Will you make a separate branch for the demo now? No, why would I? Like, why would I change my development habits? No. I mean, we can do a git commit, but there's no need. Demo is no longer crashing on AMD. Fixed with memory barrier. Nerfing the stupid fireball enemies. So they are still OP? In your opinion? Even after I removed their burn effect? Why only in town? It's fine if players abuse it. No, I feel like you should be locked in. At least during the run. And when you go to the town... So the reason why you can't do this is the following. If I let you... Let's go to borderless. If I let you respec while in the middle of combat. Okay. Let's say you can respec. Let me undo that really quickly, because it's really fast. It's not difficult at all. Game.cpp. Display skill tree and then secondary. Display skill tree. Wait, it's always the same song? Brother, they hit everything at once. They target one guy, they dead. Maybe get them to a random target or chance to miss. What? They 3-hit everything, and once they target one guy, they dead. Maybe get them to a random target or a chance to miss. I see. They always target the same guy. It's supposed to be the same guy? To make it consistent. But we could also have a random target priority, of course. Which just makes sure that it's not picking the same twice. There could be a random target priority. That would be fun too. Well, fun, right? We need to make it fun. That's the point. Let me see here. It's gotta be minus. Oof. These are skill tree editor things. Naming is weird. Data, there's the list. Selected node, it's still the same. Draw roots, draw sprite, draw grid. Skill points display. Stats, info, hero level. There we go, draw nodes. That's the important one. It can be allocated, yeah. Excuse me. So now, I fixed that with the level, by the way, where you can no longer level past this stuff. And then if it's hot, key press right mouse. There we go. So node level minus minus. I can only do this in town. I can uncomment this. The problem, the reason why I'm not doing this is the following. Okay? I don't want the player to go and do this. Place a tangerine. Go to the skill tree. Get the skill. Train the skill. Right? Train the skill. Go to the skill tree. Unspec out of the skill. Train another skill. Place another tangerine. Get that skill. Go back to the skill tree. Unspec out of that skill. Go here. Place another one. Get that skill. Guys, that's cheating. And I can't prevent. And the code required to clean up the skills after the unit has been placed and they have spent money on the skill is too much work to put into the game and make work correctly. Then what I get out of this. And on top of that, I feel like when you are in the level...
Cakes got 0 res, and that's...
When you are in the level, I feel like you made a decision that you should stick with. However, I feel like when you go to town, and the more heroes you unlock, the more heroes I will place in the town. You can right-click on a hero in town, open up the skill tree and reset there. That's why I don't let you respec in the game, in the round. So we're gonna do that. Test if that works, if you guys like that, and then you can still level up during the game, right? If you have skill points. Yeah, of course, you can still level up. Of course, that's the point. The reason why the skill tree lets you level up during the level is so that you guys have something to change amidst the combat. You have invested time and money into a hero and the hero gets better and you can react, hopefully, to situations by unlocking a new skill just in the nick of time or by spending money and leveling up the hero by hand, by clicking the level. I don't know how many of you guys spent money to level up a hero, but that's also possible. Like, I try to give you as many options so that you can react to the situation in-game. Wait, Cakes, the castle is the place where the enemies come from. Where are they defending the castle in the main menu? Or am I insane? No, they're actually not. Yes, you're right, you know? The image is not correct, but it is how it is, okay? Bad dev? Okay. How will this work when there are more than 2 levels? Seems widely unbalanced. What do you mean? How will this work when there are more than 2 levels? I don't understand. If you want to respec your skill points, you go to town. And you have to restart the game. You have to restart the level. That's the downside of respecking. I'm not letting you... Maybe I put a gold cost of like $100 or 100 coins to respec. But not more. I will not make you waste your time, like other games do, of respecking costing too much gold. Because I feel like that it's a downside. Don't put gold posts. It's an cost. It's annoying. I can do cheap. I can do cheap. I can do free for now. It's fine. Let's just do this, guys. Let's not spend too much time arguing about this, okay? There's no need for this. Absolutely no need. There will be a respec button in the skill tree. And we'll just test if it works, guys. That's all we're gonna do. Draw notes. Stats. Hero level. What is this? Draw routes around origin. Yeah. Skill points. Display. Respec button. There we go. If. Let's mark this. Does the demo run with Proton? I think it should, yeah. Should run with Proton, bro. I still don't understand why you can upgrade your skills once or what it means in the skill game, the skill in the game after you have chosen it. I'm stupid. What do you mean? That's why I don't like PoE, but I like PoE 2. For what reason? It runs with Protonia, thanks for Magetsub for verifying. You choose the orb skill, then you can upgrade one more time. Yes. You don't understand that. Okay. We will have to talk about this once I'm done here. If do button. Was it? It's called respec, right? Oh, not delete. Sorry. There we go, guys. We have the respec button here. String respec. If we do the button, then it will do allocated nodes. Yeah, that will be for the prefab. Do we have that here? Wait a minute. God, I'm losing code here. Here we go. This one here, skill tree editor, don't need that. Content. We have the prefab. I think what we need to do is go through the skill tree of the prefab. Well, we should do int node index is 0, node index is less than prefab skill tree dot nodes, node count, and then node index plus plus. We do skill tree nodes on node index dot level is 0. There you go, guys. Now, how can we open up this skill tree in town? I thought about pre-placed positions for each hero in town. So basically, I want to make it so that heroes are still visible in town. So, let's see. Game state in town. Halo, thank you very much for following. Why are the houses so red? It's the type of lighting. It is mostly a yellowish lighting. I can turn this. It depends on the color. So yeah. Can also do this. Boom. Boom. It's not the best, but yeah. I still have to work this out. A lot. Oh, Phoenix DPI, thank you very much for 100 bits. Let me unpause notifications.
Thank you Phoenix DPI for 100 bits. Cheer 100 Unflickered Hero Award.
I appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much for the support, man. Okay, so what I was hoping to do is, after we are done drawing the town, we can also draw the heroes. Which would be... Let's see. Wait, shouldn't it always draw that? You could add a wizard time bomb skill? Would look sick, to be honest. Like a trap that explodes. Did you manage to fix the flickering, Cakes? Yes, I did. It should no longer flicker. And I don't know if the guy that couldn't play on YouTube, where the game crashed on YouTube, he didn't write back to me. If the target dies before the projectiles hit the end of the wave, it freezes. Okay, please. Hey, bro. Thanks for the report. Please send me the game.log. Yeah, people don't know that, of course. Right? So I should probably put somewhere that they that I want this when they put a report like this. Mickey, if you can send me the game.log, that would be awesome. Wait a minute, that's a bit confusing. Shouldn't this be... Oh, I see. Edit level. Level background, screenshot, running level. What is this? Boss HP bar. Excuse me. My god, is that a... Sorry. Guys, I've literally woken up 5 times because I kept coughing. It is annoying. I wonder what happens now. Because I'm not clearing these when I come from the level. What happens now? Haha! Look at this, guys! Haha! Lol. There's the guy. You see this? Huh? I wonder why delta time is 0. Because the game's not paused. Wonder where that's coming from. Speed buttons? Let's get another one. Level info at the top. Hero list. Diablo bar. Guys, maybe the Diablo bar can make a return. Now that we have more UI available in the game. Sometimes Cakez goes from 0 to 100 faster than... Listen, man. You can pick up on when that happens, nah? Because there usually is something that bothers me for a while, and you know, I make certain moves. And at some points, if it doesn't stop, bruh, it's over, man. It's over. This is input. Okay. Now, what I don't understand is the delta time. The delta time. Frame indicator. Draw level. Hey. So the delta time comes from the very top. Hey. It makes no sense. So delta time shouldn't be 0. The reason why I'm so confused, by the way, is because I'm in town and I'm drawing the heroes. I guess I'm not updating the entity. I'm not updating the hero. What if I do that? What does it do? Is he animated? Oh my god, he's fast. Holy. Huh? Okay. So I suppose when we are in town, I set the level state, game state, level state dot speed up to 1. Is he twerking? Yes. Bro, you fucking kidding me, man? What are you talking about? What do you mean? Wait, does that have to do with VSync? Why is he faster with VSync off? Ula, hello there on YouTube. He left after your cringe rant at him. I can understand, but he asked me before and then I explained it to him. Like 2 times. Little bro has leg day. I don't understand. Update hero. I see. It's not updating the hero because we are in town. So I see. Global particle system, yeah, that's... Bro, can you please fold this? Bro, can you please fold this? Come on. I do not want to waste time on waiting for something to fold. Okay, thank you. I'm recording gameplay for my game trailer. I'm trying to figure out if I should run the game in HD and record in HD because the trailer will be HD, or if I should record in 4K and downsample to HD. What type of game do you have? A 3D game? The better quality on a 3D game, the better. That's just how people work. The better you make your game look in the trailer, the better. The more attention you get. Now, some people will call you out on that, but it will definitely help with attention. No, a 2D game? Pixel art? Then there's no need for HD. What you should do to YouTube, though, is you should upload in 1440p to get the better encoder. Okay, give me a second, guys. Update. While replay... Oh, the replay system. Running level. Aha. Game state in town. Okay, now it should... Oh god. Now the game should update. Wait a minute. Did I just break something? Hopefully I didn't. Okay, so we are in town. The speed up is 1. We are updating the hero. Or we are drawing the heroes. We don't need to draw an HP bar. We don't need to draw anything else. But the weapon is cool and the items would be cool too. Okay, so now that we draw these heroes, what I thought would be cool is if in town I am setting the data at least once. We have a function called transition to town. And over here, we can clear spawned heroes and spawn heroes depending on how many heroes heroes have been unlocked. That will fill the town with more heroes at the same time as give the player more options and make the town more lively the way it is, which I think is cool. So basically first, game state, spawned heroes, dot clear, and then game state, spawned heroes, dot add hero. So first we do the defender. He's always there. Static entity hero data is nothing, and then init hero of type, that would be hero data, and then that would be the hero defender. And then we add the hero data. So let's do this. Now, he doesn't have a position, of course. The position I have actually stored already, which is in town. Respec button. When we are in town, when it's drawing the town. Let's see, draw the heroes. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for actually. Global particle system for that. We don't need UI. Buildings, modals, input, we don't need that either. I did not separate this properly. Great. Options, missions, shop, library, tents and heroes. There we go. So, I no longer need these weird animation times to animate the heroes, because I can literally just get the real heroes. The first defender, where's their end position? There we go. That's probably all I need to do. And then we can get rid of this guy. Let's test if this works. Cakez, you will realize, you realize that it will take at least 4 more years? No, you're wrong. It won't take 4 more years to go into early access, bro. That's not true. There he is. There he is, bro. The thing is, though, that The UI is in the way of these guys. So I probably have to turn these into game objects too. Not UI objects. These have to be actual games, objects in the game. And then if I click on them, they behave like buttons. Early access? I will go into early access, yeah. My thing is not to that, yeah. You're right. Okay, so we have the first one done. First defender is done. Don't need a second defender. The second one will be... What type of hero? The... Mage? No, actually the mage is fine. Let's do the ranger. 350, 180. Mage, and then the healer. Hero, ranger. Hero, mage. And hero, healer. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This one's gone too. Mage, 200 to 16.
Good day.
Retard.
Why does the attacker Tangy
Never listening to this. Unless you change it, I will always, bro, always skip it. I will not tense. Listen to this. Always, yeah. There we go. Now the cool thing is, we unlock them using if checks. If game state, do we have save state even? No. If game state, save state, dot unlocked heroes, unlocked heroes mask. Ooh, okay, wait. Hero list. Wait a minute. Blah 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 blah. That's the if check. So if the bit from hero ranger is on the bit mask, then we want to draw him. And we do the same thing for the mage and the healer. So that would be hero mage and the healer. Excuse me. Gotta love this. I love this! Yay! Sorry?
Damn, this is actually looking good. Easily a mixed review / mostly positive.
Awesome. That's a 2-page coda, guys. Boom. Watch this. Home. Hell yeah. There is my dude. There is my dude. And the healer is gone. The healer doesn't have a position. She's here. Okay, that's fine. The healer will be here. And now this is where we have to turn the buildings into... well... into buttons that are inside the game. Yuntri, thank you very much for following. And Onibras, thank you very much for following. And Lelo Zitos, thank you guys for following. I really appreciate it. Do you use YSOT in your game? Yes. This is written. No, how do you say that? This is drawn in the game. The ranger here is drawn in the game. But the buildings are drawn in the UI layer, which is why they show up and hover. Like I hover over the building, and so you can see here that the moment I touch the foot of this building, because I never intended for the player when I did this to click on the heroes. Now that I can make the player do that, I need to redesign the town. What do you think about making games in Roblox, Cakes? I think that's great to test your skill and become a better game developer, bro. This guy did it too. Lethal Company guy, look at the reviews, bro. 400,000 reviews. This guy is a millionaire. Look how many people are still playing this game. Some AAA games would kill to have these numbers. So, yeah, sure, man. Make games in Roblox if you want to. But make them for yourselves. Don't let someone exploit you on Roblox if you can. Because I've heard a lot of stories about that. You know, people getting paid miserably while big developers make huge money. Like, I've heard about this game called An Unknown 9 Awakening or something, you know. So supposed to be a huge, huge game. I wish I could spell. Huge game, guys. 9 players. 24-hour peak. 3 players right now. Huge. Wow. Damn, that's crazy. That is crazy. Did you say it was made in Roblox? No, what I said was that Lethal Company, the guy that made Lethal Company, made games in Roblox before he made Lethal Company. Lethal Company itself is made in Unity. And the reason why we know that it's made in Unity is because we watched the video on the graphics effects in that game. It's not made in Roblox, no. I'm already a Roblox game dev, but I want to transition to making Steam games. What do you recommend me to do? Unity or Unreal Engine, Cakes? I would recommend you Unity first, test it out. If you like it, stick with it. If you don't, try out Unreal Engine. Try both of them if you don't like Unity. But I think Unity is easier to start with. I don't recommend Godot, but yeah. Anyways, let's move on. We didn't make much progress. You guys want to respec the tangerines. So, I need to turn these buttons. Can I do a game button? Is that possible? That still uses the UI layer? What if I do a game button? Copy over the code. And then it uses the... But then these need to be buttons too. So I can't really do buttons. But when the mouse is inside... Yeah, I guess I'll do it like that then. Inside of the sprite's rectangular box. We'll have to do that then. Okay, let's try that. In town. You should also fail to make a game in 30 days in Unity, so you will make up excuses. Okay. It wasn't 30 days, it was 3 months, bitch. You just don't know how to listen. It's fine though. Is the demo out? Yes, sir. I hope you had fun in Japan, brother. I started January and switched in May. So it's even 4 months. But I did try out Unreal Engine as well. Okay, let's see. Let's begin here. Buildings. Okay. If do options. Okay, so options is fine. Missions. There we go. So we have the position and the sprite. We can do a point and rect. Instead of an invisible button, we could say const billboard rect is position size. Billboard rect. And then what we could do here is if point and rect input mouse position world billboard rect and just pressed primary action primary, then we're gonna push the modal. Now we can say we have a const bool is hot, which is this question right here. Is it hot? Right, then we can... No. Then we can keep this as well. If it's hot, we need the billboard rect though. Then I guess we'll put it here. And then that's called is hot. Then we can say, well, is it hot? And we press the primary button. And the reason why this works in this case and then wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Layer. Town billboard. Give me a second. Assets. Billboard. Billboard. Aha, it doesn't have a pivot offset. Pivot offset is basically how much we move the sprite. Much time spent 20 days, 24 days, 11 days, 24 days, 25 days. All this wasted time. 20 days. Holy. I don't know if it's bug or intended. In the demo, the sword/sprite remains active. It is intended, but people always think it's a bug, so I might change it. Yeah. Thanks for letting me know, bro. Cakez, can I develop ideas and creativity to make my first Steam genre? What do you do when you started game dev? I just had an idea for a game and I started doing it. Because it was a game that I really liked playing myself. And I can only give you advice in that sense that make a game that you would like to play. And then try to make it as fun as possible. If you spend hours and hours playing your game and you listen to a lot of feedback that you get from others, you can make a good game. That's what I strongly believe. Most good games have been made because they are games that people wanted to play themselves. The developers wanted to play themselves. So if you stick to that and you're listening to feedback too along the lines, because you won't do everything perfectly, then you will be on a good way. Nope, he hates us. No, guys, it's difficult. What do you mean he hates us? Cakes, I wondered why is neither Aizen nor Superco VIP at this point. Because they don't want to. And Superco can't be VIP because he's an artist. Aizen doesn't want to be VIP. I told Aizen a very long time ago, very, very long time ago, if he wants to be mod or if he wants to be VIP, he just has to ask me. He never did. And so I'm not going to force anyone using something they don't want to use. But they don't want to wear. Because it also comes with responsibilities sometimes. VIPs not so much, but mods for sure. And some people just do not want to have that responsibility. They just rather have fun. Which I can totally understand. And so I don't make him VIP because of that. He doesn't want to, guys. That's all. What does it look like? Should be moved up now. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Good. And then, of course, that. Wait, how do I know the... That's definitely difficult. The billboard rect is the position minus the size divided by 2, I think. And then plus the sprite of the billboard. I see, wait. Let's just do a const sprite billboard. Which is get sprite. That. And then instead of size, we just do billboard.size. I wonder if Tokyo Spliff has ever watched Cakes. I don't think so. He's in a different time zone as well. Guys, I need another tea. My lungs are killing me. I don't think so, bro. Is Cakes doing... What? You never asked me to be a mod or VIP? You never will be. You're too toxic for that. I ban you way too much. Tangerine Dave. Thank you very much for following, bro. What is that username? What the hell? I appreciate it so, bro. What the hell, man? What the hell, bro? Guys. What was it? Oh, God. Who was it? How did the joke go? I heard a joke yesterday that was really funny. It was made by Forsen. Something about water and then Bruce Lee and water! Whatever, man. I don't remember the joke, but it was funny, man. I need to get water. It was actually really funny, bro. I just don't remember the joke.
Oh, yeah!
I only follow tangerines. Okay, bro. Okay, let's see. Plus. Oof, do we plus or minus? It's a minus. So, guys, I need to visualize this in Paint. I'm too stupid. Okay, so my brothers, what we're doing is we are drawing a box. Okay, around a center coordinate. But the box itself has an offset up. So when I draw the box here, the box is actually drawn here. A little bit higher. So I need to cancel out that... Uh-huh.
I wanted to relax.
Yeah, we're gonna listen to that in a second. I need to cancel this down again So this is minus, let's say 10. So I guess I need to do plus the offset because it's gonna do minus. It's gonna be plus. And then minus the size. Okay, so we need to do plus. Remove the emote. Whoever kept that emote, please remove the emote. I will ban everyone that types this emote. Collector of stuff has spammed it 3 times now. This guy's getting timed out. Okay. 10 minutes. Anyone else wanna do that? Oh, lol boy. Shady 11, you're also, yeah, Shady 11, you spammed it 5 times? Okay. Okay. And Inuka on YouTube wants to get banned too. Okay, it's fine. There you go. 10 minutes. There we go. It's something to get into. Vim or Visual Studio Code? Vim or Visual Code? Visual Studio Code. I like Visual Studio Code more. Bro. I really do. Lol Cakes isn't gonna have any viewers anymore. That's fine. At least I have an empty chat. And then if there's a message that asks something, I can answer. Billboard. Dot. Pivot offset. We do plus. Because we're gonna do... Wait, we need to do minus. As well. And then in order to make sure that this is actually correct, we're gonna draw a box. Billboard rect dot position. Billboard rect dot size. That's a UI box. And unfortunately we have to do I see we still need to have a vector to size, which is billboard dot size. Good, then this works. Let's see. Hey Travis Roman, good morning. Thanks for asking how the family is. Hey? Hey? Oh, wait. Eh? Travis bro, man. Guys, we are making progress in the game! Yay! Oh yeah. I shouldn't scream. Why can someone tell me why this rectangular box is here? It says top left end position. When do you release your own orange juice merch? Yeah, it's all an elaborate hoax so that I can sell t-shirts and orange juice stuff. Exactly. Yeah, I said that I'm gonna release... I said that I'm gonna, my god, work on 3D stuff after releasing the demo, but first I need to fix the issues in the demo. Coughed it seem fake? What do you mean it seems fake? Huh? Huh? What? Bro, you kidding me, man? What is this box? That's not the box that I'm... No! Huh? Start position, end position. Start position... No, I'm so stupid, bro. I'm so dumb. It's start position, end position. It's start position, end position. So it's probably better. Yes, we get it, bro. You're dumb. Ha ha ha. Very funny. So that's not correct. That's not correct. That's more correct, I think. Yeah, that seems about right. It gets bigger when I'm here. And smaller when I'm... Okay. So there's definitely something wrong. I guess I'll have to do plus. Wait a minute. What if I do plus on the pivot offset? Aha! Oh wow, that's it. Okay. Now that's it. Okay. Now all I need to do is change the position of this. Further down. How far down? Also, why don't we make this, right? Options. Transparent. And material 111,0.7. There you go. And then how about we make this? Let's think. How about finish the game before you start with other projects? I will let the game sit in early access for a while we work on the game, and I also explore other options, because I'm a person that needs change in his life, and I will finish stuff that I started, but I do need to do side projects at some point along the way, just to keep me entertained. And what I've been doing before the demo was out for the last 2 years was, whenever I needed a side project, I would make a side project. Like, for example, make a game in Odin or make a game in Zig. And that is something that I enjoy doing. And I'm gonna do that after I have gotten to the demo to a point where the feedback is slowing down a bit. You guys are playing and I can work on more content and additional stuff for the demo. So I can... The idea is that I spend about 1 to 2 hours a day on the demo every day. And then I start doing other things alongside. Because I'm also a streamer. And I like streaming. Because I can always... The boring stuff. The fixing tiny things of code. I can better do this off stream than on stream. Because if I do it on stream, it usually results into either... me ignoring you guys completely because it's really difficult to think about certain parts of code, which just happens. Or it sparks huge discussions that waste so much time that we just don't have. And so I would rather do a mix. A mix of working on my game, coding, you know, doing actual work, and then other things, reacts, gameplay, stuff like that. That's what I want to do. But first, the demo. The demo comes out first. Chat's fault? No, that's just the nature of streaming, bro. Because you are having a discussion about what you're doing. You know? React? Yeah, of course reacts. Because if I didn't do a react, I would have never known about the median playtime of demos. If I didn't watch these videos with you guys, I would have never known about this. The reason why we know about this value right here... The reason why we know about this graph right here is because I watched the video with you guys. And the reason why I know that this value here, the better this value is, the higher, the more likely your game will be successful, is only because I watched videos with you guys. And there's many other things that we're gonna explore, you know? There's many other things I wanna do. And I think that is not only interesting, but also important to do. And I'd rather do this on stream, that's all, bro. It invites a lot of backseating, you mean? Yeah, it does, but I mean, that's fine. But sometimes, you know, sometimes I change a twig from color brown to color light brown, and people will flip out. And we are having a discussion about the color of the twig for like 10 days. And I'm like, bruh, you for real? We don't have time for that. So, yeah. It shouldn't be too brown, Cakes. Yeah. Contrarians unite. Yeah. So usually that's because people in chat like to say the opposite of what I'm saying, right? When I say that this tent is green, sorry, not green, brown, they will tell me this tent is green, just to get a discussion going. And so that's fun for some time, right? But usually when we want to make some good progress, it's better to just... It's better to chunk it up. It's also more fun for you guys. I've noticed this in the past. And so for me, it's important that you guys have fun. You guys enjoy the time. And yeah, that's all. Well, let's keep going. Shit. It was 60. I want to try 80. Brain power. Yeah, look at that. That's good. And what we could do here too is, if hot, hovered, wait, game, state, hovered hero, and we cannot hover over a hero. Let's see if that works. Guys, it works. Let me move this down a bit more to make it obvious. Guys, that's awesome. Shit. Never mind. Maybe it's in front though. Hello, which OpenGL version do you use for the game? 4.3. Cakez. This is why game engines have visual drag and drop interfaces, by the way. yeah, but this placing, bro, it doesn't take too much time, really. Okay, so it doesn't work, unfortunately, which sucks a little bit. I was hoping I could... Maybe it's not hovering the heroes, let's see. Hovered heroes. I wanted to update that anyways. Isn't this... Here. Draw town. Wait. But I mean, we are hovering a hero. I do. So then how come I'm hovering a hero? Wait, that's odd. Let me see here. It says I'm hovering a hero. But when I go to the building, I can only increase the size if I'm not hovering a hero. So how come I'm not hovering a hero at that point? That's odd. That makes no... Wait, maybe it's still the button? No, I deleted the button. The button doesn't exist anymore. Wait. I have an idea. If we have a hovered hero, when we do entity pointer, hero, test, is get entity by ID. Game state. About hero. And then hero test dot color is red. See, if I'm hovering a hero, they should be red now. Hey, what are you talking about? Huh? Hey, cuties and streamer. Hey, Spacefed. Good morning. Just started the demo. First wave. The 9 monsters escape. Oh, shit. Yikes. Yikes. Maybe I need to improve the tutorial a bit, huh? 9 monsters in first wave? I need to unpause notifications.
Thank you very much for 500 bits, Space. Holy.
Thank you. Is it tutorial?
Thank you, Spacefit, for 500 bits. Cheer 500 PSSSS to your kind and neat and an inspiration the way you answer questions. Stay a cutie and I'm proud of you.
Thank you!
Fuck Cakez.
Hey!
Fuck Pirate is software basic.
There was someone else. Thank you very much. Hey, we literally have hovering heroes here. Do we have a bool operator if it exists? Sorry. Huh? I can't be locked on this. Come on. We need to lock. Guys, I'm locking in right now. Maximum focus. Flow state. Yes. Okay.
God damn it!
The door is open. I should not be so loud.
It doesn't go here. Maybe hovered hero gets reset. Don't think so. Okay, I want to test something. I'm gonna move my mouse over here. Then I'm gonna move this. It says that it's hovering the hero. And it applies that. And then we're just gonna look at this game state. There you go. It says, that's odd. ID 0, index 0. Because these are not spawned. I see. We need to spawn the heroes and then that makes sense. Okay, well, I found the issue. Good. Transition to town. Instead of adding the heroes like that, we literally do spawn hero. Position hero type cost. Maybe that's better. So the position would be 200, 216. Hero type mage. And the cost will be nothing. Then we don't need any of that, because we can just call spawn hero. This will be a ranger. There you go. We can do 350, 180. Stop that, please. And we always spawn the defender. We don't need that. Hero Defender. There you go. 260, 100. Easy. There you go. Nice. Nice. Yeah, bro. Hero healer. And the healer will be on 300 for now. Good. Now there's it. Put a breakpoint. Whatever. We need to go to the level. Boom. And then go back to town. Oh yeah, okay. It flickers for some reason, whatever that means. I don't know why it flickers actually. Not sure. I don't know why it flickers actually. Maybe because update hero is called after that. And update hero sets the color back to 0, then draws the hero.
Has anyone really been far even has decided to use even go want to do look more like?
What? So maybe we need to draw the heroes after the UI. The buildings. Let's test that. The hovered hero should not reset, right? Ah. Would you look at that? Though, it doesn't reset. So, now, when does the hovered hero reset, in this case? It resets here. There you go. Which means... Good. And now the hero wins over the building, even though the building is inside of the hero. We are currently inside the building's box to determine clicks. Now we have another issue. I can still click this and it will push the modal. I'm pretty sure it will. Let me bring up the console here. I think it will push the modal. It doesn't for some reason. I wonder why. Interesting. It's not a render issue. It is... These buildings are rendered on the UI thread, or for the UI, while the heroes are rendered for the game. What I need to do is render everything that is in the town in the game, and then we win. We have done this for the billboard now. The first thing is always the most important and difficult one. And now that we have done this, we should be able to just do this for the other things too. Shouldn't be too difficult. I'm just gonna do a little two-step window here. Make it a bit easier. So that we can try this for other things as well. Hey Cakez, big fan. Thank you for releasing the demo. I've been pretending to be nice to you for the last while, but now that the demo is finally out, I too can become toxic. Official super cool. Real super cool, that's not you, correct? The official super cool user? These guys? That's my alt? Smiley face? What? I have been pretending to be nice to you? for the last while, but now that the demo is finally out, I too can become toxic? Nice flow mode, Cakes. I fixed the problem, bro. I can't use too much of my power. Then I just finish the game in one sitting, bro. There would be no content left. What do you mean? Leafy, Lily, thank you very much for following. But you're right. You're right. Are we done? I think we are. So, missions done. Missions is done. Let's do the next one. Be right back. Get yourself a tea. Bring me my tea as well from the kitchen, okay, Hazen? Thank you. If it's hot. Yeah, okay, so the unit can't be hot because it's
Am I so out of
UI.
touch?
Smart.
No.
RoboAgree just subscribed.
RoboAgree?
Am I so out of touch?
Appreciate it, bro.
No.
Anonymous is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much for gifting a sub to Toxic-Ku now. Should I call you, instead of official Ku, Toxic-Ku? Bruh. Leave me alone, man. Oops. Okay, so we need the wagon. Then we need, don't need that anymore. We need this. Wagon erect. That is wagon size. Wagon offset and wagon size. Then we don't need to draw a quad, but we can do if has options. Draw colliders. We draw that. And then we can say, is it hot or cold? So, let's put the ID at the top here so we don't have this in the way. And I guess that could be const. Let's just make a like that. Boom. When we have this available to us, wagon rect, draw colliders, that would be the wagon rect. I don't understand. Pretending to be nice. Why do all people have to get toxic? I don't understand that. Can someone explain that to me, please? It just doesn't make any sense. Huh? I don't understand. Okay. Now we just need to change the if check here. Instead of the button call. And we're good. Now the wagon should have the same thing. And then there's only 2 more buildings left to do this with. I can't show the colliders here, really? Okay, wait, we can toggle an option. Excuse me, guys. When Cakes reaches 2K wishlist, I'll add a Tangy head to Pogo Stack. Wait, that makes no sense. Super cool is thumbsing up Shade 11 while at the same time talking with his official account. Something is definitely off here. I don't think that's the same person. For real. I think this is an elaborate hoax. Cake77 petition to unban Godot 77. If someone links me the unban requests and the unban request is reasonable, we can talk about it. If not, then go away. Oh god. That is bit 9. Okay, toggle option 9. Oh my god, I'm so good at this, man. That's crazy. Ooh, would you look at the wagon? Bom, 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 bom. Bom, 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 bom. Bom, 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 bom. Cool. Where is the ranger? There he is. I think I'm gonna put the ranger next to the wagon. And I'm gonna put the healer here. And gonna put the mage next to the fire. Hell yeah, bro. We were taught so in the house that being nice is important. Yeah. Hey, I'm Stas. That's true, man. Stas. It's for the attention. Cakez perma-ban because he might be collector. Just like you did with Cakez Casta. I just got an ad on your stream here about the tower, a tower defense game. Ooh, they are spying on you. Holy. They're spying on you, brother. Okay, that looks great. Let's do the next, guys. Let's quickly fix this. And then we are done. Okay, cool. Wagon is done. It's now an actual object that is drawn in the game. Cool. Gotta say, man. Well, though, that being said, though, we do wanna assets.h. The wagon, it doesn't have a pivot offset. So minus, how much should the wagon have? It's here somewhere. Well, I would say 32. Let's try minus 32. I'm so sorry. I just added 32 pixels here, so that would be 76. Eh? Oh shit. Why do you always do 2, man? Can you stop that? I hate that so much, man. Every time I do one undo in Vim in Visual Studio Code, it does 2 undos at the same time. And sometimes I don't want the undo to do two things. It's so annoying. This bug is so frustrating. Sorry. So why the fuck am I in the options menu right now when I want to work on the wagon? Wagon. Can you stop moving it? Thank you. 32. Asshole. Control R to redo in Vim. Yeah, but then it redos 2 things too. I just wanted to redo 1 thing. That's the thing, man. That's a big problem. Okay, let's speedrun this. Shop is done. Library. Excuse me. Button at top. Const. So we don't lose it. Size. Const sprite. This is the library house. Library. Size is library.size. Next. Billboard rect. Library rect. Position is a library. Size and library. 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 And library. Hell yeah, brother. Has options. Of course. Code duplication, my friends. Perfect. Yank a word. Oops. I love them, guys. Sometimes it's totally not tedious to type sometimes. Totally no. I'm using it wrong, I know. It's a skill issue. I don't totally understand. It is a skill issue, I know. It's still annoying. There you go. Draw the building. If is hot. There you go. Instead of button. Done. Library should be good too. Let's quickly do, after we're done with the library sits, we should be done with this. Done. Blacksmith, and we can move on. Where's the blacksmith? Missions. So it's gotta be at the very top. Okay, so where's the blacksmith? There's definitely the blacksmith too. We did do the missions here. I don't understand. Shop, library, tents. Oh, I see. I get it now. I wonder why the blacksmith is below the tents. Weird. Whatever. Const. Let's go back here. Position. You guys, I'll be so happy when my voice comes back. I'll be so happy having my normal voice again. It's been such a long time. Not me, that wouldn't surprise me. There's always something. Guys, why does yank a word? Never mind. It doesn't. It does. It always yanks a space, either at the front or at the back. Why does yank a word always yank a space? That doesn't make sense to me. How can I yank this word? Replace this word? It depends on the config, really? I see. I hope the sickness gets worse. Holy. This guy is really, really toxic. It's insane. Fuck you. Oh, I opened a third one. Yeah, I'm not that high level yet, bro. I need to farm a little bit more experience points for that to happen, man. I don't have that skill. Absolutely not. Rock Lee, Godot, Van, tell me everything. Would you use Godot for serious games? I wouldn't use Godot for serious games, but Potato is a serious game written in Godot. So you make that decision yourself based on what's out there from Godot. And that's not the only good and successful game in Godot. This one was also made in Godot. Have you seen this? Halls of Torment, Asmongold played that. Huge game. Big game. Big developer. We go to SteamDB. It should, yeah, Godot engine. There you go. You see this? Has many games in Godot engine. Potato is the biggest one. Online right now. Yeah, Potato. Then I have never seen this game, to be honest, but Space Idle game, free game. I don't know what this game is about, so I'm usually skipping this. But you see this? There's quite a few. Backpack battles too. But the reason why this game isn't successful is not because it's Godot. The reason why this game is successful is because they have a very interesting online player versus player mechanic where you don't have to do anything that relies on skill. You basically build yourself a character with your own inventory and your own items, and you automatically play to against another character that has also their own inventory and items set before the battle. So you don't have to fight against each other doing anything. It automatically battles. But there's still strategy involved with your backpack. As you say, that's all about the backpack, bro. And the crafting in there. It's async multiplayer. Yeah, it's really cool. That's the reason why this game is so big is because of that. Not because of the engine. But you could see there's many others. Wait, Hordes of Torment. Oh, I see Hordes of Torment. Just looked so different on this image. Interesting. Cool. But yeah. You know, really good stuff. I kind of just want to sit here for another 10 minutes to piss off Collector. That's all. Bitch. Don't tell me what to do. Cool. If the hero is hot, it's not over the building. Now, what we need to do for these... for the blacksmith and... the other house, blacksmith. We need pivot offsets too. Hi Kate, good morning. This is the This is the Brazilian people's favorite LGBT live stream. Why use an engine? Just design it so it can be played in the command line. Is Asmongold playing your game the ultimate achievement? If Asmongold plays my game, his video gets a million views. That would be an insane achievement for me, yes. And any other game developer would tell you the same, bro. If you think, as a game developer, I have no words for game developers that thinks that this could be anything bad. These guys are idiots. 100%. Because if such a big creator plays your game, it puts eyes on your game. It's multiple thousands and thousands of eyes on your game. That is only a good thing. There's nothing bad about this. No matter if the creator, in your opinion, is a good person or not. It doesn't matter. Is he interested in QTD games? I don't think so. He's more interested in Souls-like games. Link to where the wishlist of your game. Oh, hello everyone. Thank you very much for the raid, Mr. Togglebitch. Yeah, sure. Game. Exclamation mark game. I've put out the game right now. A couple of days ago. And we're currently working on the town so that people can respec their skill points spent in the skill trees. Oh, sorry, not game. I'm so sorry. Demo. But I'll do game too. I'm sorry. I mean, yeah. There you go. So game is there too. A demo is a game. Yeah. So exclamation mark demo or exclamation mark game will bring you there. And the cool thing is, I wasn't expecting this at all, but we had, you know, quite a few players yesterday. 24. And yeah, it's been looking good. Obviously, I'm streaming, right? And that pushes the player numbers. Right now, it's only 2 because we are doing updates. But, you know, it does do a lot, which is awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys, if you guys want to try it out and give me some feedback on the game, that would be awesome. And yeah, I'm trying to do updates every day now until the game is in a really good state, reasonable state. And yeah, then move on, make a new game as well. Put it in early access. Keep working on this, making a new game as well. I enjoyed the demo except the boss. Yeah, the boss needs tweaking. But you're not supposed to fight the boss yet. Okay, let's see. So, pivot offset, that would be 0 and then minus. The demo opened on my banking app and transferred all my money to Bill Gates. Okay. Yeah, thanks for the raid, Mr. Togglerbit. I hope you had a good stream. Wonderful stream. Yeah, what is this? The blacksmith here. Let's see. So what would that be? It's definitely from here. Let's try 68. We'll have to test. Though, if this is the middle of the sprite, Yeah, 68 might be too much. 50. Let's see. How big is this? 53, 153. So then that would be this, right? Hey, what? Wait, am I looking at... 122. 122. Hey. For the blacksmith? Okay, I guess then, well, 60... Well, 52 or something. Let's do 52. Is this a custom engine? Yeah, it is. Yeah, might look impressive, but we had a lot of bugs, bro. On AMD, the game wouldn't start, literally. And then after the game would start on AMD, it would flicker like crazy, like it was a disco inferno, man. And yeah, now we can finally go back to working on gameplay, because many of the issues are fixed. There are still some other issues that I need to work out that I can't do on stream, but yeah, it's really cool. Cakes, did you get your free copy of RPG Maker X VX Ace? I can see your Gothic remade. I can see your Gothic remake made in it. Nah, man. Like, I'm not gonna make a game in Game Maker, bro. Trust me. I'm not gonna make a game there. Cakes, did you use SDL3 GPU API yet? I did not, no, but we're gonna do that in the future. I'm hoping that in 1 to 2 weeks, and don't hold me to this, because I can't tell if something comes up or not, but I'm hoping that in 1 to 2 weeks, we'll be done with most of the bug fixes, and I can move on, and even with the balancing stuff from the demo, and there's like maybe 1 or 2 tickets open, right? Then we can move on to start new projects and keep this project updated along the way. I'm hoping. Should be. We've been making good progress. So yeah, let's do that here. What is this? Not the library here. This guy. That bad boy. How big is this? It is 144. So I guess this entire section, isn't it? Yeah. So if that's the entire section, then this is the middle. Well, that's about 60 pixels. What do you guys think? 60? 60 pixels down. There you go. Now we have 2 pivot offsets, which means we can now finally position in the game, and then we don't need to cover the entire screen for that. All of the buildings are off now, of course. We need to move it down. Missions. That's fun. That's done, not fun. Library, 60, right? So that would be 224. Hey, why are you typing a dot in front of the variables? Interesting how that is still on front. It should still be a bit higher though. 200. A dot in front of... Oh, you mean here? Number 1 is for readability, and number 2 is because I can. Because I'm opening up a structure here that is a sprite. And I'm saying that from the sprite... Sorry. I just love how that works sometimes. From the sprite, I'm changing the Atlas offset to this and the size to this while leaving the rest default. And it zeroes out everything else, exactly. If I don't initialize it, so basically this brace right here, this to here, the first brace initializes everything to 0. And then inside the brace, I can access the members. This looks like an initialization function, right? That you would write. But the compiler does it for you, not the code. It's on the compile time, so when the game's running, you just get the data back. You don't run this code again. It's already there. It's already assigned. It's like a JSON file. Guys, I'm getting a tea. Give me a second. It's really cool. Give me a second. I need a tea. Oh, Mr. Who Cares on YouTube. Thank you so much for $5, bro. Thank you, man. I would pay $20 on that 3D version you made a few weeks ago. Bruh, that wasn't a finished game. That wouldn't be $20. That wouldn't even be worth $1, bruh. But I appreciate it a lot. We would need to make way more content in the game for it to be worth any money, but thanks again, man. I really appreciate the support. Brother. But yeah. The video did very well on YouTube though. I must say. Considering it's a 7-hour VOD. You know. With barely any edits. Okay, cool. That looks good. Yeah. That's bad. Well, both of them are hot. That's bad too. What if I click both? Does it open both? It does open both. It opens both, so only one can be hot, which we need to fix too, but okay. Let's fix the blacksmith first though. And how is this still in front? That makes no sense. Wait. I know why. When it draws the sprite, the layer needs to be the position. Where the position is, not plus the size. That would be for the blacksmith. Oh yeah, the blacksmith. 50 pixels, right? So let's try 110. Move that down. A bit more. 120. What I'm gonna do then is move this building down a bit so they don't overlap, and that will fix it. And then move this building a bit to the right, and the blacksmith as well. So the blacksmith will be 10 pixels further to the right. That will be 390. I'm just not gonna fix the code. I'll just fix the positions. It's fine. This is something the demo version has taught me, guys. We can make this perfect and correct. Yes. But the time we spent on doing that and the errors it might introduce, it's easier to find a cheap, fast solution so that we can get to this being finished and start working on something else. Because that's more important than having everything work perfectly. It can still happen. It's close, but it can still happen, so we need to move this further down. I don't want to do that though. So this is as far as it goes. So I'm gonna move the missions by another 10. And then the library, gonna do 20. I can still do it. It's still possible. Damn it. The curse of 220. True. Well, moving the library to the left is an option, but I don't really like that option too much. I might just move the sign up a bit. Though it's in a good location. Fine, I'll fix it. It's literally just a bool. One is hot, is false. And the moment one thing is hot, the others can't be hot anymore. So one is hot. Oh, it's called it. One is hot. Cakez, what's up? Nothing. We're just working on the game. Hope you're doing good, bruh. And one is hot. Let me think. Flow state. One is hot. Then we call this. If we don't have anything that's hot, we call this. Otherwise, we say it's not hot. And then when is hot changed to true though? If that's true. That's some terrible thing, man. That's some terrible coding, I gotta say, guys. That is really obnoxious. Holy. I've never seen such terrible coding. But okay, whatever. It is the way it is. Same. I'm pretty sure you have written way worse code than me. You're just pretending to be smart. No shorts? Ah, okay. Maybe 10th grade when I took my first... Ah, okay, bro. There you go. Now we should only be able... Yeah, we can only select one building. The building is over the defender, that sucks, but okay, we're gonna move the mage. So let's see, transition to town. You're quite old in 10th grade. $200. 220. And then we move the mage to the fire. Oh yeah, of course. What I have to do is go to town. Then go back. Okay, so she is here now. However, the building is on top of her, which sucks. Which means we need to change the pivot offset again. From the library house, minus 62. Wait, do we? Yes. We need to move it up. I don't understand, man. How? 68? Like 70? Hello, C++ plussing. Good morning, Zabra. Zaraba. Bro, this is unreal. Are you fucking kidding me? There's just no way. Wait, I'm stupid. Sorry. No, wait. Library. Wait. Blacksmith. Bruh, I hate this. Can you... Can you just unfold this, please? Thank you. Yeah, the layer. He was using the size for the layer 2 on the library. And then I'm pretty sure that it will also do that for the weapon. No, it's not. There we go! Uh-huh. Cool. Now let's place the mage. Cakez, I sent you my today's work, so you will have easier time aiming flying winged units. Animating. It's on Discord's DM. What? Wrong click. Excuse me. What, bro? Oh god, 10. Goodness. Guys, don't write me too many mail. Oh god. Butterfly by... Ooh, Ace Bright. Thank you, man. What a nice person. Eh? I appreciate it, bro. Let's see. Ooh, my man. Holy. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Thank you. Guys, look at this. Ui. Now we can make flying enemies in the game. That is also something that I would like to do, yeah. Stagger these mechanics over time in different missions. Steal it? Yeah, he gave it to me. Credit should arrive in 6 to 7 business years. Wait until he rages when you don't credit. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna write this down now. We're gonna do a list right now. Credits. Una bombia. Flying enemies. Stop. It's called a stop, right? Okay, you guys are happy. Now leave me alone! Oh, Cakez, you don't credit. Cakez, you don't do this. Cakez, you don't do that. Yeah, I'm working on it, bitch. I'm working on it. Just wait. Okay, let's move on. The weapon is behind the building for some reason, which is kind of annoying. So I'm gonna do 68. Credit Twitch chat for being awesome. So wait. It kind of bothers me. I see. I get it now. So the lower I do this, the lower I put this, the higher up I need to... Wait. Oh yeah, okay. Good. And then in the game, the library is on 220. Let's put it on 260. Cool. Now, unfortunately... Mark B, go jump back to A, where the healer is. Healer, weapon data dot swing state is swing state swung. Is it now on the other side? The weapon? No, so that's not it. I guess it's healer. Attack direction is direction right. Please tell me it is. The weapon is in the wrong location, guys. How do I do that? How do I change it? Maybe direction left? No. Fine. Update weapon. Wand. Fine. These are minor details, but it bothers me. I can already see people saying... Attack direction X. Swing direction, swing angle. Attack direction. It doesn't update the weapon though if the swing progress is not 1. Which means it's using the default values, so it doesn't go in here. Swing direction. East. Swing angle, that's based on the attack direction. Okay. Long live freedom. Hell yeah, brother. Oh, I know why. I'm stupid. I'm such an idiot. That should work. All I need to do is build this. Milty Smilk. Awesome name, bro. Thank you very much for following. And Justice Boom, Robogree, Ender Drache, and Level... Or Ivy Yonster? Thank you guys for following. Yeah. Yeah. Great. No! Oh yeah, look at the healer, guys. I shouldn't be able to click on this. Okay, guys. I have to leave. We have a car appointment right now. I couldn't come on earlier. I had to take care of Zoe. So I only managed to do 3 hours and a little bit on stream. I was having fun, guys. We were getting really close to fixing this. There are kind of a couple of nitpicks here and there, but we already have positioned this guy. We have positioned this guy too. Yeah, so I have to do it off stream, and then when that is done, we can respec the skill tree in town, so you guys can respec when you play the demo version. One last time, if you guys do want to play the demo version, check it out right here. I'll put the link in chat for those of you who want to give it a try. And if you want to write feedback...
Am I so out of touch? No.
Please let me know on Discord.
361 just subscribe.
Thank you very much, Borgo. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support, man. If you would like to give me feedback, you can do that on Discord. Right here, there's a section under stream, Tangy TD game feedback. Skill tree crash. Yeah. So if you want to give me feedback there. I need to leave now. I'm sending you over to Jackie. Have a great day, everyone. And see you tomorrow. Thanks for the support again. Peace. And on YouTube, you guys. See you tomorrow.